Snow-covered peaks, translucent lakes, barren terrain, and colorful monasteries. Ladakh, the land of lamas, has an altitude ranging from 2,300 meters to 5,000 meters above sea level. With a population of 2,70,126, Ladakh has a remarkably well-balanced traditional society, hemmed in by walls of numerous mountain ranges of the Himalayas, the Zanskar, the Ladakh, and the Karakoram. It witnesses glacier-melted mountain water sources including the Sayok, Indus, Zanskar rivers, and the astounding Pangong, Somoriri, and Sokar lakes. Ladakh has always been a tourist attraction for foreigners who love to go rafting in ice-cold water and trekking on the frozen river Zanskar. The spectacular landscape offers tourists amazing trekking routes through the valleys and passes of Sabu, Stok, Khalse, Changthang, and rafting in the Zanskar and Indus rivers. The ranges provide apt terrain for mountain and rock climbing. Nubra Valley is situated in the north of Ladakh between Karakoram and Ladakh Range. Its major attraction is the highest motorable road, Khardungla Pass, at 18,380 feet. Majestic peaks and glaciers, enchanting villages of Diskit and Hundar with Panamic hot spring, double hump camel safari, and sun bath in the sand dunes. Religious sentiments are attached with every village stupas and monasteries. The Santi Stupa is situated on a hilltop in Changspa village, built in 1991. It provides panoramic view and space for meditation. The monasteries of Likir, Thikse, and Himis are among the most famous monasteries in Ladakh. Following the clear blue water of Sayok River, one reaches the Pangong Lake, a famous destination for Indian tourists after the release of Three Idiots in 2009. The Somoriri Lake in Korzok village is divine during summers with mountains covered with colorful wild flowers and numerous migratory birds spanning the sky. The night of the 5th August 2010, Ladakh saw a massive flash flood as a result of cloudburst. Agricultural lands were devastated, numerous houses washed away, along with animals, and a total of 257 lives lost. The short growing season and limited agricultural land, along with the shortage of water, have created hardships in having a sustainable agricultural market. While summers are busy with tourists and agriculture at its peak, winters are exceptionally hard to survive. With temperature dropping below -30 degrees Celsius, people are forced to use every means possible to keep themselves warm. With the two main passes that connect Ladakh to the rest of India, Ladakh faces scarcity of fresh food and is deeply reliable on the dried and frozen vegetables along with the local meat supply. Water supply completely freezes during winter and people carry water from their hand pumps for all their daily purposes. Though Ladakh has rich cultural heritage and landscape, its topography leaves it in a tough spot most of the year.